Hey y'all, and welcome back to another video with your girl Nat. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made these delicious, soft, super moist churro cupcakes. These were so good and so easy to make. Only took few ingredients, which I know you probably have a few ingredients in your cabinet. So if on your way in, if you could please give me a like. Also consider subscribing. And so without further ado, let's get into the video. So you guys, I know many of you guys probably have a lot of these items inside of your cabinet. If not, go to the store and get some vanilla box cake mix, get some instant yogurt, also get some vegetable oil, cinnamon, milk, 4 eggs. That's all you're going to need. Also get some butter, condensed milk, and some extra cinnamon for your icing. So starting off, I'm going to go ahead and add my box cake mix into the mixer. Now I'm adding 1 full box of the instant pudding, which got to be vanilla. Get the vanilla instant pudding. Now you're going to add 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon to your mix. And I'm just going to give everything a quick little stir just to make sure it's well incorporated. Now we're going to add our wet ingredients, starting with our eggs. So you want to crack all 4 large eggs. Now we're going to add 1 cup of cold milk. We're using a 1/2 cup of oil, vegetable oil. And now we're going to just give everything a good blend till everything is well mixed in, until your batter is nice and smooth. So right here, I already got my pan lined with my paper, and I'm going to go ahead and add a scoop of batter mix to each pan. And if y'all don't already know, I love using these ice cream scoopers to just get the perfect amount for each, because it just I don't know, I just hate when I see cupcakes that's uneven. I like all my cupcakes to be even. So thank y'all for making it to this part of the video. I really do appreciate y'all coming in. If y'all new here, please consider subscribing. I'm trying to get some content out to y'all at least once to twice each week, and hopefully you guys like it and try it. And if you guys do try it, tag your girl, and I cannot wait to see what you guys come up with. So now that we have our batter in each pan, we're going to put it in the oven on 350. So right here you see me putting butter inside of the mixer, which this is the part where I'm going to make the churro icing, which is very easy. I'm doing the trending TikTok 2-ingredient icing, which only consists of 2 sticks of butter, which is 1 cup of butter, and some condensed milk. Y'all, this is so easy to make. I think I'm gonna start making my icing this way from now on. So you want to just make sure you keep mixing it until your butter get nice and fluffy, and you will know it's getting nice and fluffy when it start looking like icing itself. So right here you see me adding my can of sweetened condensed milk. Make sure it's sweetened, y'all. So y'all just start by adding half a cup or half of the can of condensed milk at a time. That way you can get your consistency right. You don't want it to be too watery because it'll take a longer time for you to mix. So this is how my icing is looking, and I just added some cinnamon to it. And y'all, it came out nice and creamy. So we let our cupcakes cool down, and we're going to go ahead and start topping it with our icing. And y'all, I just love my icing technique now. Like, I done got it. I feel like I got it mastered down. Like, what do you guys think? So for y'all that stuck around to this video, quick question. What is the next flavor cupcake you think I should make? I'm kind of stuck. Please leave it down in the comment section below, and I will reply and consider you guys' choices. So last but not least, we're going to go ahead and top it off with our cinnamon sugar, which is just cinnamon and sugar. And that's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. Y'all, this was so fun to make, and I really do hope you guys enjoy the recipe and try it. Until next time, you guys, peace.